Do you feel like you're throwing everything at your marketing, but you're still not getting results? I get it, it can be frustrating. Maybe you feel like you're doing everything right. You've got a website, you're posting on social media, maybe you're even doing paid ads, but for some reason, it's just not clicking. No leads, no sales, and you're banging your head against the wall wondering what's wrong. Well, unfortunately, you're not alone. Many small business owners are frustrated and confused and wasting time and money on marketing that just simply doesn't produce results. But that's why I'm excited to share with you our Story Brand Marketing Assessment. This free tool does a deep dive onto your marketing to evaluate potential blind spots you have and show you the next steps that you need to take so you can start getting results in your marketing. In just 5 minutes, you're going to get a custom report for your business to show you exactly what steps you need to take so your marketing can start working for your business instead of against it. They're called blind spots because you can't see them. So enter your name and email down here below to start your free marketing assessments so you can eliminate these blind spots in your marketing and start getting results that work.